According to the title of this video, you already know what's up. Let's get straight into the video. So you are looking for low budget skincare products that you can use to start your skincare journey, right? You don't want to spend too much. You're just trying to figure out this skincare thing, and you want product recommendation that you can use to start your skincare journey. I have a few that I've personally tried that I'm going to share with you. When I started my skincare journey, I started with this product, and it worked for me. I'm sharing based on my own experience, okay? So whatever I say or share in this video is based off my own experience, okay? So in order, the first product is of course cleanser. Yes, this product recommendation is only for the face, okay? The number one is the baby face cleanser. It comes in different variants. It has the cucumber, the papaya, the plain, like the white plain one. That cleanser is very good. You know you have white hairs, all those tiny pimples. So the last time I got it for the price of 2,000. This face cleanser I usually buy it for the price of 600 naira, 500 naira, 700, 1,000. Then it started climbing, like the price started increasing, okay? But that is what I started with. Okay, you can get it. It's still available in the market. Not a foaming face cleanser. You just put it in a cotton pad and use it to clean your face. You use it to clean your face. That is the number one face cleanser I recommend for you that you can start with. Another one that is currently cheap that I'm still using is the Skin White bar soap. That one is a soap. It is not a liquid one, it's a bar soap. It is written on the pack for face and body, so you can use it on your face, you can also use it on your body. It is a very good face bar soap that you can use to wash your face. It's moisturizing, it does not dry out the skin. I've been using it, I've tried all the variants, it doesn't dry out the skin, okay? Last time I got it for the price of 1,200 naira. Like what I'm sharing in this video are basic, beginner friendly, basic skincare products that you can start with. So moving on, of course, is moisturizer, face moisturizer. So when you finish cleaning your face, when you finish cleansing your face, the next thing you need to do is to moisturize your face, right? This is the basic. Cleanse, moisturize, SPF. Cleanse, moisturize, SPF. So the next thing you need to do is to moisturize your face. Affordable face moisturizer that I've tried is the Goji Berry face moisturizer. The Goji Berry face moisturizer is a very lightweight face moisturizer that contains hyaluronic acid and I think retinol, if I'm not mistaken. The last time I got it for the price of 3,000 naira, and it's very affordable and it gets the job done. It's going to help to moisturize your face. If you know you have normal skin, combination skin, oily skin, this moisturizer is good for you, okay? It's lightweight, it does not clog your pores, okay? And another option that you can try is the Dr. Rachel face cream. There is the one that writes day cream. Please, the day cream is not the one I'm talking about. It's the face cream. The Dr. Rachel face cream is a very good face cream that you can also try. The last time I got it for the price of 4,000. I don't know how much I'm selling it now, but I don't think it's up to 5,000 at this point. If you go to a wholesale store, I don't think it's up to 5,000. So I got it for the price of 4,000 as of the last time I got it, and it is very good. In fact, Dr. Rachel face cream is a very good affordable face cream that's really going to moisturize your face. It's also very lightweight. It will moisturize your face, and it's a vitamin C face cream, okay? It will hydrate, moisturize, and even out your skin tone as well. You have to get a face cream that will hydrate, moisturize, and even out your skin tone, okay? As a beginner, these are the ingredients you have to look out for: hyaluronic acid, vitamin C in your face cream, and that goji berry contains hyaluronic acid. The Dr. Rachel face cream also contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, you see? So you can choose any of these. Another one that you can use is the First Fat Vitamin C face cream. That is the one I'm currently using right now. This one is a good face cream, but this face cream, I think it will work best if you have oily skin because it does not really moisturize, like it doesn't really hydrate. But when it comes to brightening your face, evening out your skin tone, it gets the job done. But when it comes to hydrating your face, it doesn't have that ingredient of hydrating your face. Yes, it does not hydrate the way it should. It doesn't really hydrate. Another face cream that I would recommend that I'm also currently using is this Moyam moisturizing face cream. This one right here is also a very affordable face cream. I got it for the price of 4,000. The first fat I also got it for the price of 4,000 naira as I went as of about 2 months ago, and this one is mostly good for dry skin. If you know you have dry skin, this is for you. Okay, the other face cream, it is not for dry skin. It will not really hydrate your face, but this one will glow your face and hydrate your face. This one right here is good. Okay, so you can go ahead and try this particular face cream. If you have dry skin, you can try it. If you have combination skin, you can also try it. I have combination skin and I use this as well. Okay, it gets the job done for me as well. Doesn't brighten your face, it's just going to, but when it comes to moisture hydration, this is what you need. Okay, so moving on to the next skincare product that you need is a sunscreen. Yes, when you are done moisturizing your face, you have to seal it up. You don't want to finish moisturizing your face and you leave your face open like that for sun to burn it up and damage your skin, right? You want your face to still be okay, to still look nice. Sun damage is real, sunburn is real. Okay, you don't want that on your skin, so you have to protect. So one way to avoid it is to protect your skin from the sun. Use a sunscreen. Make sure to get a sunscreen. We have Dr. Rachel sunscreen. There is Biorare UV sunscreen, which one right here is the one I'm currently using. It's almost finished. I'm going to restock. I think I said it in my last video and I've not yet restocked. I've been busy, guys, but I'm going to restock on this product. You can just throw it into your bag, go out with it, so you can reapply it wherever you are. But you need a sunscreen in your skincare routine. That is the next and last step as a beginner's basic sunscreen. You apply this on your face and also on your body. You don't apply sunscreen only on your face and leave your body. Any part of your body that is exposed, that you know is going, that you know that is exposed to the sun, you have to apply your sunscreen. Okay, today we're not talking about face, we are not talking about body, we're talking about the face. When I got it for the price of 4,000 naira, as I when I got it, Dr. Russian sunscreen is sold for the price of 4,500 as well as at when I got it. Okay, so if you sum it up, I don't think it's up to 10,000. Let's see. Skin white soap 1,200. The first moisturizer 4,000 naira, that is 5,200. Your sunscreen 4,000 naira, that is 9,200. You know, you still have 800. Okay, let's add your transport and make it 10,000. With 10,000 naira, you can start a basic skincare routine. Okay, but so if you have any skin concerns, you know you are battling with hyperpigmentation, acne, that's when you will have to include toners, serums, exfoliant, you know, all those things. But before I end this video, let me tell you one thing that you have to include, lest I forget, is an exfoliating gloves in your skincare routine. I got this one for the price of 500 naira, a pair like this for the price of 500 naira. So exfoliate your face 2 times in a week. You lather your soap on it and gently exfoliate your face with it. When you are done exfoliating your face, you now go ahead to rinse it off and then use your moisturizer. Okay, you do it 2 times in a week. So you add this 500, that would be 10,500 naira. 10,500 for basic skincare routine. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on all the amazing videos I'll bring in on this channel. And if you are coming across my channel for the first time, hello, my name is Gloria, and on this channel is all about beauty, motherhood, and a little bit of lifestyle. Trust me, you'll like it here. Okay, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment on this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. For now, bye.